Today I am in my Zone 1 area in one of my Hugelkultur beds where things have just started to grow crazy. And I'm in here checking it out to see what I can use, whether it's for food or medicine or both, compared to what's just truly just part of nature and really has no use but just grows. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Natasha. I work to be self-sufficient, grow my own food, and live off the land. I do try to focus on having a farm that follows permaculture practices, mimics growing with nature. But this bed right here, it is a hugelkultur bed, has a lot growing here, and I'm going to look to see what really is something I use or things that might just really be a weed and just growing because nature's letting it grow. So I can see here that I have some medicinal plants here. I have the Anamu, which is right behind me here. I have Moringa growing here, which is they call it tree of life. It's a tall one growing here. Oops, I got something else going on. I have some sage. This is a different type of sage. It's also medicinal. And I have Achiote, which is a medicinal plant. But then in between all this, I've got, you can see some mints. There's some mint right here. There's some, this is a gooseberry plant right here. Lots of mint growing in between here. There's a tomato plant growing in here. So my goal is to just kind of clean it a little bit of some of the things that just have no purpose for my use. Not to get rid of everything, because a lot of times there are things that I didn't know that I could use for eating or for medicinal purposes until I check them out. So and some weeds just grow so much, you know, so and even some medicinal plants, they just grow a lot, and we don't need it all, so I might remove some. So that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to go through and keep the things that I will be using, like the mint here, the gooseberries, the tomatoes, and then get rid of some of these weeds down here that I know, even though this is a medicinal, wait a minute, this right here, I think it's called Nervera. It can be used as a tea. But that's the benefit of growing your own food and foraging and living off the land, because use what nature gives you. All right. If you haven't already subscribe, or like this video, or give me a comment if you are also growing your own food, and especially medicinal plants, and use any of the medicinal plants that I just mentioned. All right. Thank you. Have a great day.